Hi, my name is Chris Drake. I'm the head of product and strategy with the Rev-Trac team. And today's video, I want to discuss some of the on-premise end-of-life consequences, particularly for organizations that are using Solution Manager and ChaRM. So the third approach is to ultimately stay with SAP ChaRM. Now, we understand not all companies can move because they might have very tight and complex processes. There might be a cost saving in continuing with the status quo until they're ready to make the transition to cloud products. But at the end of the day, this is time limited. Support will be ending in 27 or 2030, depending on the organization's extended maintenance contracts. There is an additional cost associated with hosting that Solution Manager instance, which of course can be considered as part of the future change when finding an alternative solution. In many ways, these organizations have the benefit because they will have time to prepare for a stable approach to how they find their next solution. It is worth considering the hosting costs of Solution Manager can be quite high, certainly as part of a RISE journey. So for these organizations, consider us as part of a strategic approach to the next generation of your change management strategy for SAP. So no matter your journey, whether you're going to Cloud ALM as soon as possible, whether you're looking at a best of breed approach, or even if you're looking to stay on Solution Manager ChaRM for as long as possible and then take a strategic approach to your next chapter in SAP change management, Rev-Trac can help. So find us at revtrac.com.